This is life with James and Di. Quarantine don't stop nobody. So we're still putting in work right now during this quarantine. We're gonna remodel our kitchen. We're about to sell our house this summer, and we want to make sure that we're able to up the value of the house so we can get more money when we sell it. So this is one way that you can up the value of your home, is to remodel your kitchen or your bathroom. So right now we're going to add backsplash right along here. This is where the stove was. Okay. Please excuse our ghetto prepping. Like I said, we're quarantined, so we didn't sit here and go out and buy the proper material, but this will do. So right now we have James measuring the backsplash. He's trying to see how it's gonna fit in this space right here above the stove. So right now I'm trying to make sure that it's gonna be a perfect fit, or if he has to make any cuts to it. How much you got this towel for?
So I got this one for 75 cents each. So always go to the clearance section, whatever, every time y'all go on the Lowe's, and kind of like make your own design or whatever or whatnot. So basically, I just put the camera on me. So alright, so I got it for like 75 cents, like I was saying. And we got the other Subway towel. We got it for $5 a box. This is what it looks like or whatever right here. You know, excuse the food. Lanisha ain't finished her food, so. But yeah, so yeah, and this is TNC, 75 cents each. So it was regularly $8, and they was giving away on clearance 75 cents each, whatever. So you get a great deal doing it that way. And also with the with this towel, the other Subway towel, whatever, it was regularly like $25 a box, and I got it for $5 a box each. So I always go to clearance, always, and hopefully we make everything look good or whatever once we done. So here you go, baby.
You ain't trying to be seen. Nah, but yeah, he always finding good deals. This towel is very expensive. Like he said, it's what, $8 a piece, right?
Mm-hmm.
So
I wasn't about to pay that shit.
If anybody know James, they know he's a bargain. He bargains, he makes deals, all that. For anything, really. Anything he's buying, he's gonna make sure there's a deal. Except some things like food, you know, it's kind of hard to do that. But everything else, that's just how he is. But he found good towel in the clearance section. See? It's like a bluish gray tone.
It's gonna match the countertops real good too. So.
Right. We'll show you the finishing touches soon. But yeah, this is anyway, we're gonna put that in this section here. We had to think of a design to not just lay the towel there, oh, it's a backsplash. No, we were trying to make it look as nice as we can, and whatever's gonna fit in this section. So, and also something that's not as time consuming, because we thought of things like putting a diamond shape here, a pyramid, you know, stuff like that, which would be nice, but at the same time, we don't have to do that. We could do something simple and nice at the same time, and just let it show itself. Backsplash is always nice, so it look better than this. So this is, like I said, excuse our ghetto prep. Like I said, we quarantine, so we can go out there and buy all this other extra stuff, and that also saves money. James thinking he a professional and shit. He writing measurements on the wall. That's what they do. You ain't no professional.
Hater.
You ain't about that life? Let me stop. He is about that life. He's real good at this stuff, you know. He just started. YouTube University. So right now he's just measuring to make sure everything's gonna fit properly.
Hey, you hit this line right there. 25 5/8 market.
What is that pencil? And then I'm his assistant. 25 and 5/8. All right, y'all. So this is the finishing. Well, not finishing. We have that one piece, or wait, maybe 2 pieces, 2 strips to put right here. And I think James is actually cutting that right now. But so far we're doing pretty good. We figured it out. And now we was able to put all the spaces in, because before it was not looking like this at all. So like I said, we buttered the wall and then buttered the tile and then put it on there. Little imperfections, but this will do. Way better than what we started off with. All right.
All right, so after day 2 of tiling, this is where we at right now. I was able to pretty much get this side almost done. Just gotta get that one tile under there and be done on this side. And basically just gotta finish doing this whole side over here. And we'll definitely get this going. Take all them craps down. Holding up pretty good. Alright, peace.
So right now James just finished cutting around the outlet.
All the pieces.
For all the, yeah. So it could fit properly around it.
Now just get it laid. We got it almost going. But just got to do the top part, and we there. This is day 2. Was day 3?
Day 3.
Well, really, with day 2, because we started real late on both days. So
yeah, we got babies and shit.
Yep. So it's coming along pretty good. We're making a mess, but it'll be alright.
Yep, so not too bad. The goal is to hopefully finish this all today.
Yeah, we will.
It is, I think, 3 p.m. So we should have time.
Well, I'm glad this quarantine stuff going on, because I'm able to get a lot of stuff done. So.
Yep. That's for sure. He's trying to touch my damn pump. You know how I feel about that.
Alright, y'all, just giving y'all updates. See y'all soon when it's done.
Hey, don't put me on that camera.
Alright, so we almost done, y'all. Kind of in the last of the grout. Metal starting to dry right there. You know what I mean? It's a long process, whatever, but it's gonna be all worth it. Getting ready to sell this doggone house. Try to make some bread off it.
Anybody's willing to buy a house? I'm taking off.
Not right now, whatever, but you know what I'm talking about.
Yeah, right now.
But just give him a quick little update, whatever, get back to work. Alright, y'all, then she's gonna do this all by herself now, y'all. Alright, y'all. Alright, guys, so we done. This is everything kind of back in place. And we also got some lights for it. You know what I mean? I think it was at like Home Depot or something like that. You kind of got a remote and everything. I think it was like $20 or $30, whatever. So just kind of put with it. You can change the colors. Got Solomon on the light. What color is that? Good job. Yep, so just so you know what I mean, bring it out. Some cheap, do it yourself type of stuff, whatever. You know what I mean? Ain't nobody can do at the house, whatever, and just to make your kitchen look nice. You say you want green? And let the kids enjoy it. What's up? You want purple? I ain't got purple. So bye. You like you gonna get it. Say bye. Alright, y'all. Peace. Alright, so guys, so I just got a new piece from the store today, and it's kind of just gonna top it off with that. And I'm also gonna change this light out right here to this light right here or whatever. So basically give it a nicer appeal to the kitchen. And so I already got everything started. So let y'all see it when we done.
So James just drilled in 4 holes at the top, as you can see here. He's trying to measure it and have this, where's that thing? Had this right here fit in that section up here. Just so he can have the light standing up properly so it won't fall.
Alright guys, so we got the light up. This is how it's gonna look. No, I'm joking, I'm messing with y'all, but yeah, so we got the light up, just making sure it's working right now. And then I'm going to basically, you know, I gotta make sure I'm gonna cut this light power back off before I get electrocuted, but it looks good so far, so. Alright, so guys, so I finished the light, whatever, right here. And basically you can change to different lights, whatever, different settings. So basically cut it on, yep, see how it changed right there with the switch. And then cut off, and that's the brightest setting, whatever. So it's pretty cool light. And then I was able to finish this section right here. Just put that little clear piece on there, and I just repainted a little bit right there, those spots right there, whatever. So it turned out real nice, turned out pretty good. You know, y'all already seen the backsplash or whatever. So, you know what I mean, thank y'all for watching the video. Peace.